Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. So okay guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, my name is Zami and I am your host for today. This is my official channel. Please subscribe, like my video, and don't forget to share. So guys, happy new year. How have you guys been in for real? I know it's quite late for me to say happy new year, but this is my first video of the year, so I think it's quite appropriate for me to say happy new year. So happy new year guys. Yes, welcome to 2023. I hope you guys have set your goals for this year and I hope it's achievable, because many people just set goals without thinking if they can actually achieve that. So let us go back to the drawing book and actually see what exactly our goals are for the year, what we want to accomplish, if it's actually doable. Because sometimes we just put down goals because everybody is putting down goals. Do you really think you can achieve that goals you are actually putting down? I have to make sure that every single time is valuable and it counts. So that's by the way. So today, on today's video, I'll be doing a DIY on a video I saw on YouTube about how to revamp your wigs. And for someone like me, I really don't like anything have to do with hairs. Like, it kind of give me this chill. I feel like it's stressful and it's quite, I don't know. So that's why maybe I'm on low cut that. But that doesn't mean I don't like hair. Like, I appreciate people who makes hair. I love people with nice hair and everything. But in the UK, currently I don't really have anybody that can do that. I saw a video on how to revamp wigs, so I'm going to be doing that in this video. So I hope it comes out well, and if it does, guy, like, all my wigs are going to be revamped because I've not been using my wigs for quite some time now and they are looking somehow. So I've not been, and it's actually been cold. Like, the weather here have been fluctuating, if I must say. Yeah, and like this morning it have been raining, so that's why I'm in all this armor. Yeah. That's why I'm covering myself like this, and I feel head warmer is not doing, like, it's not doing justice, so I need something to wrap my brain. So that's why I have to just use this hair tie to just wrap my head. I want to just gist to people how my 2023 have been so far. Like, it has been quite funny because I've been looking for a job. I've been looking for a job. It's not like I've not been seeing job. I have been seeing different kinds of job, but most of them are associated with this healthcare, social care, support care, and all of that. So I mean, I really don't want to go into that actually. But since I'm no longer in school and I'm no longer in Nigeria, so I just feel I should do something simple and stress-free. And you know, as a Nigerian person now, many young Nigerians these days barely work for people because of the pay. So I will not actually blame them. So me, I've never ever worked before for anybody in my entire life. Yes. Comparing naira to pounds. Comparing naira to pounds is another level. So I don't want to go there. So I've been changing naira since I came here to pounds, and it have not been sufficient for me. Like, it have not been able to do majority of the things I want to do. So I decided to just get job, like look for a job to do. Like, see, hey, I even forgot that I have the mic, so let me just put it in. So that's why I'm currently looking for a job to do, because I really need the cash. In as much as I need the cash, I need the experience as well. And that doesn't mean that I'm not still going to take chances at that healthcare work and all of that. I've done the training, necessary training I need to do. I have gone through series of interviews and all of that, and I am ready to work as a healthcare personnel. But I think that healthcare will really help me in applying for school here, like as a referee or something like that. So I'm still going to do the healthcare work. So for now, I just need something durable, something flexible, something I can just play around with, just get my money and just do what I'm supposed to do. Like, you get, like, nothing goes around without money, so I just have to just work. So I've been applying to some places. I need soft life. So that's the thing I've been doing lately that I've not really had time to. I'll be telling you guys about the jobs I have applied for and the ones that are durable and the ones that are waiting for interview. Like next week, I have series of interviews. Next week, I have like I think 3 interviews. I won't really call the last one interview, but I will let you know about it. Like the first one, I applied for McDonald's. Next one, I applied for a telecom company to be like a customer care assistant, like a customer care person. I've gone through the training already. So this is like an interview for to be shortlisted. So that's what I will do next week too. And also, the last one I was telling you about is an appointment. It's not really an interview, but it's like a job opportunity too. But it's not really an interview. It's like a contract, something like that. So I saw this modeling agency, this UK model, whatever. I don't know if people in the UK, I don't know if you must have heard about it. I saw it and I applied for the modeling agency, and they gave me a call and they sent me a message and they told me everything about it and if I'm interested and all of that. And of course, I'm interested. So I just need to get myself busy with something. So I have an appointment next week, I think on Thursday by 1 p.m. in London, and I'll be taking you guys along. I want to show you people how it's going and how everything is and how that place is. I just hope cameras will be allowed, because most of the interviews I've gone for, they said no cameras allowed, no pictures taken and all of that. I just feel like a protocol. So I don't know if it's going to be allowed then, but I hope it will. So I'll take you guys along to London. Like I'm going to do the video of everything, and I hope the video comes out before next week too, so that it will actually make sense. Because today is 23rd of February, so I hope it comes out before next week, because I have one interview on Monday, I have another one on Wednesday, then I have the appointment in London on Thursday. So the one on Monday is an interview with McDonald's eateries. So you guys must have heard about McDonald's. So they are shortlisting some staffs and they need people to work for them. So I applied to McDonald's. So I hopefully I'll get picked. So wish me luck. I'm going to try my best to make a video of it, of me going to the interview when I get there, how the interview went. Right now, I'm currently job hunting. I just hope the job click and I get working, because I need the cash. And if I'm going to be starting school this year or next year, definitely I have to start saving. So that is the major reason why I just need this job. So you guys should wish me luck that I get called after the interview or I get hired on this. But I feel like by next week I'll start working. So that I'm not really bothered, but I'm quite nervous. So I'm just trying out so many things and I hope it works out. So, and this modeling appointment I'm going for, it's not like I'm going to be on the runway. So it's nothing stressful. It's just that when they have an appointment, that's when I'll be called. So it's nothing to worry about. So I feel so. That is the update of my life. Hey, this is what I've been doing since January. Like I've been up and down, been studying and all of that. So right now I'm going to be working, guys. I don't know, but I hope I'll be at my best behavior, because I can actually adapt to changes. I adapt to changes easily, so I don't think it will be a problem. So guys, if you are new to this channel, I still remain your girl Zami. Please, if you have watched up to this point, I'm sure I deserve a subscription, right? Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. You can also share my video, but please subscribe. So right now I want to do the DIY video on how to revamp my hair. So I really hope that this actually works out. I'm so happy because I have a lot of wigs that I have not touched since I came here. So I just wrapped the way they were when I brought them. That's the way it has been. Like I don't want to even see them. Like the way they're looking all squashy and all of that. I have to learn how to do things myself, I guess. So yes, let's get into the DIY video. Yes, let's go. This is the stuff I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using this stimulating mega growth shampoo. I'm going to be using a deep conditioner. Yes. And I'm going to be using this oil because I really do not have a serum, a hair serum. So I'm going to be using this. So I hope it works. So here's the hair. So I got this hair since 2020 from my friend. She sells hair, favors hair. So this is what I have been using since then. But I have other wigs. I barely use this one, so I've already revamped it only once, and it was my friend that helped me to revamp it. So, and this is the bucket I'm using, guys. I'm here. I want to use the bathroom, but I don't know where to keep the camera that you'll be able to see what exactly I'm doing. So that's why I decided to come to the kitchen to use the kitchen. So I think this place is better because I can actually place my camera here and can actually see everything I'm doing. So I think this place is better. And the lighting here is quite great. My kettle, I put in water. So I just hope you guys can actually hear me. So my water is ready. So before I start, I'm going to just comb the hair, like to like detangle the hair to make sure that everywhere is clean. So I'm going to comb the hair. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm doing. I make sure that I rinsed it properly so that all the shampoo on it to come off. So actually the hair is clean now. There's no shampoo left on the hair. I rinsed everything out. So that's basically it. So I'll be adding my deep conditioner. Sorry guys. So I have to like warm it in my hands a little bit. So try to put it on the hair like this. Let's see. So guys, I don't know if I'm doing rubbish, but the dryer will convince you. So let me remove it from here so you can actually see what I am. Texture, like I wish you can feel it. It's not very soft. Oh god, I just hope it's working though. So after I'm done with the conditioning part, I need to like apply a little on the side. Yes, on the front part of the hair. Guys, on a summon so. So as soon as I'm done, I will package it like this. Okay, package it properly. See this line now, put it inside, because the video I watched, the girl used a Ziploc bag, but I really do not have those, so I'm using what I have at home. So I'm going to be using this bag. Going to be using this bag, so I'll tie it up. So I just feel like the reason why she used the Ziploc bag is because of to avoid water from penetrating. So I think this one will do justice to it. I hope so. So this side. So I actually waited for exactly 10 minutes. So I'm going to lose it now. So I'm done rinsing the hair, so I've dried it outside. Hopefully it's going to get dried before night falls. Then I'll apply this, then straighten the hair. So I'll give you guys feedback on how the hair is, how the hair went. So guys, thank you for watching. This comes the end of my video. Please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will notify whenever I post a new video. So until next time, see you later. Bye bye.